Are you breaking the law by creating multiple free cloud storage accounts to get more space? Let's break down what's legal versus what might get you in trouble. So, is creating multiple accounts with the same cloud storage provider illegal? The short answer, no. It's not illegal in the sense that you won't face criminal charges or get arrested for it. No specific laws prohibit you from creating multiple accounts with Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. However, and this is important, it's almost always against the terms of service you agree to when signing up. Let's look at what some major cloud providers actually say about this. Google accounts are usually disabled if the owner hasn't followed their policies. Specifically on account creation, Google's policy states don't create or use multiple accounts to break Google's policies, and don't use programs called bots to create fake accounts. Dropbox doesn't specifically discourage multiple accounts, but rather specific account misuse. For example, you can't access, search, or create accounts for Dropbox services by any means other than their publicly supported interfaces, like scraping or creating accounts in bulk. Microsoft OneDrive lets you add more than one type of account to your profile. For example, you can have a personal and a business account. However, an example of a violation of its digital safety policy is gaining or attempting to gain unauthorized access to any secure systems such as accounts, computer systems, networks, or any other services or infrastructure. What could happen if you get caught? Depending on the service, your accounts could be suspended or terminated, or you might lose access to your stored files. Other possible penalties include your free storage promotions being revoked, or in extreme cases, you could be permanently banned. The reality is that cloud storage providers use various detection methods like IP tracking, device fingerprinting, and account activity monitoring to identify multiple accounts from the same user. If you genuinely need more storage, consider paying for additional storage, often just a few dollars monthly, using multiple different cloud services, one account per service, deleting unnecessary files, or using external hard drives. The linked video will show you how to get 100 gigabytes of free storage all in the same place through Moltcloud. Bottom line, while creating multiple accounts to get around storage limits isn't illegal, it's definitely against the rules you agree to. Cloud storage companies are businesses, and their free tiers are meant to be entry points, not to be exploited. That said, they can't really punish you beyond closing your account or potentially banning you. Always read the terms of service before signing up, and remember that paying for the service you use supports the continued development and improvement of the tools you rely on day to day.